In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your company email with Gmail. This process will help you streamline your communication by consolidating all your emails into one single platform, making it easier to manage your day-to-day activities. Let's start by opening your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings button, and clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select See All Settings. This will take you to the comprehensive settings page where you can make configurations to meet your requirements. Focus your attention on the horizontal menu at the top, and navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. You'll find a series of options here, but what we are interested in is Check Mail from Other Accounts. Click on the Add a Mail Account link right next to this option. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to enter the email address you wish to integrate with Gmail. Key in your company email address and then click Next. You'll be presented with two choices: import emails from My Other Account POP3 or link accounts with Gmailify, which offers a more integrated option with better syncing capabilities. Let's choose the first option, import emails from My Other Account POP3. After selecting this, click Next. It will now ask you for some more information to configure the connection. Enter your username, which is usually your full company email address, and then the password associated with that email. This step is a critical part of the process, so make sure you input everything correctly. Next, you'll need to input your company's mail server details. If you're not sure what this is, you might want to consult with your company's IT department to get the correct server details. An extra tip here is to check the box labeled Leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server, if you want to keep your emails saved on the original account as well. Consider enabling the SSL option for a secure connection, as it adds an extra layer of security to your emails. Once you're satisfied with all the information, click Add Account to finalize this part of the setup. Now, Gmail will ask if you want to send emails from this address too. If you do, select Yes, and click Next. You'll need to provide your name, which will be displayed when you send emails from this address, so make sure it's set to something recognizable by your recipients. Configure the SMTP server using the settings provided by your company for outgoing mail and authenticate using your email and password. After setting this up, you can finish by clicking Add Account. At this point, a verification code will be sent to your company email. Check your inbox, retrieve this code, and enter it into the pop-up window to confirm and finalize the setup. Once verified, you're all set. And that is how you connect your company email with Gmail. Enjoy the convenience of managing multiple email accounts seamlessly from one place. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!